Hello, my name is Basil. I'm one of the founders with ClockIt, and in this tutorial I'm going to cover very quickly how you can create your users and start using ClockIt to monitor the time and attendance for all your employees. So as soon as you create your account and you're logged in, you would need to create your employees or users, and the way you would do that is you come under Company, Manage Users, and go to Add New. By default, you can see that your account already would exist in this list. So I'm just going to add new, and an employee ID is alphanumeric, so you can just give any kind of ID. I'm going to name this user, let's say 01AB, and the first name, let's say Tom Hanks, and his designation is going to be an actor, let's say. And tags, you can give multiple tags. These will be very helpful if you want to run custom reports. So movies, action, and I'm going to give him a dummy email address for now. So that's tom.hanks@texonsoftware.com. I'm going to give him a password for him to log in. And if you need to show the password, you can just go ahead and click on this. If you need to auto-generate the password, just go ahead and click on auto-generate. Send login credentials to the user so that they can receive the login credentials on their email. Allow this user to log in into their ClockIt account. Mark them active. And I want this user to be able to punch in into the kiosk app that's available for both iOS and Android. And I'm going to give his joining date as November the 1st. He's going to be an employee, and he's going to report to me. And the site name I'm going to give default, and I'm going to set the defaults over here, and his department is also going to be default. Allow the user to log in via mobile, that's true, and include these users' data in the reports. Now once I save this user is created, and as and when they clock in and out, you would be able to see the data on your dashboard. Now, your main dashboard is this ClockIt dashboard. You can access it by clicking on the logo. And I'm going to log it into Tom Hanks' account. So that's tom.hanks@texonsoftware.com. I'm going to give him the password that I just created for him, and I'm going to log in. Now, this is the employee view of the account. They would be able to see nothing else other than their calendar. And I'm just going to punch him in. Now you can use the same email address and password on our mobile apps that's available for both iOS and Android. If you want to go with the kiosk option, you can use the apps on the tablets. And if you want to use it on Slack as well, you can just ask Tom Hanks to clock in, clock out using our Slack application. So let's get that out of the way. And if I was to refresh the main dashboard, you would be able to see him clocked in, and there we go, it's clocked in from the web. Now let me just very quickly clock him out, and that's done. So if I was to refresh the page, you should be able to see that Tom Hanks has clocked out from the web as well, and you can see it says out. Now if you want to run a quick report, all you do is go to reports, come to basic report, and from the left hand side you can select attendance report, and I'm going to get this out of the way, and you can see that Tom Hanks is available, and his punch in time is 3:49, punch out is 3:50, and you can scroll right, and you can also use the keyboard to do this, and you can just scroll further right, and you should be able to see his work duration over here. Now this is the way you would add users and run a very quick report. And if you're happy with ClockIt and you would like to continue using it beyond the trial, just come into the Add Card Now page and update your card details over here. And if you would like to add more users, you can add more users from the drop-down list above, and update your card details and save. If you have any questions, the chat is always available for you. You can just click over here, initiate a chat with us, and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Thank you, and hope you have a good time with ClockIt.